Welcome! Today I'm showing you how to change screen recorder sound settings into a Sony Xperia 10 3rd edition. First of all, open your top navigation bar and find screen recorder button, this one. If you don't have this button here, click pencil and then scroll down and find this button here. So for edit this button and option for top, hold and drag to the top. And for saving, click back. And now when you edit this button here, click, and here we got recorder audio options. So now I got microphone and turn off. So for example, I want to device audio only, and to turn on this option, click switcher here like this and click start. And that's it. Thank you for watching, leave thumbs ups and subscribe to our channel.